Hey, do we have a shield by chance? Watch this thing come around and just deck me. Where is it?
Okay, thank you. Nursing station, take a right.
Is it in a room?
Is it in a room?
No, just in the hall, near the hall, scared. It's a smaller Joe. Go through the window.
Where's the window broke?
It's down the hallway down here.
Holy moly.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Oh. What's, what, is that an outside door?
Yeah.
That's
How does it open?
You just push it.
Just push it? Okay.
And then there's another set of doors.
Okay, we gotta stay shoulder to shoulder here. Heads up, heads up.
Holy
Hey,
moly.
come here. Hold it down.
I got it. Go open that door. Go open that door. Go open that door. I got it.
Okay.
I got
Can we
it.
have one, hey, can we have another nurse over here?
Staff! Can we open that door?
Can somebody grab that door?
Relay this information on the radio.
Yep, we're okay. We're okay.
I got him. I got him. I'm squeezing him.
Okay. Ready?
Tell Jason
We got
to
that.
come in there.
Hold on, we got the door open. Jason's here. Okay, all right, hold on. We got one more guy coming.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm coming.
You get kicked?
Go.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
You guys all right?
Yeah, we're good.
167.
All right, we're gonna have to clean up.
This is disgusting.
We'll walk around.
Thank you.
Ugh.